Hi, in this video, I will show you how to gift a Claude AI subscription. So once you are at Claude AI page, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Go to this list panel and look for your profile icon at the bottom left. Once you click on it, you'll find many options. Here, you'll find Gift Claude. All you need to do, just go and click on that. And here, you'll find Give the Gift of Claude. So every plan includes Claude Code, unlimited projects, and access to our latest model. So here you'll have to choose which plan do you want to give. You have Pro for the curious, you have Max X or 5X for the enthusiast, and you have Max 20X for the power user. And of course, you can choose for how many months. First of all, choose the plan. Each plan has different price, and then you'll have to choose how many months. You'll have to keep in mind, let me just first of all choose 1 month so you can know the price. This one, and this one. So then you can choose for how many months you want to give to that person as example. Maybe you want to give a year, 6 months, 3 months, whatever you want. Of course, you'll have to notice that if you choose 1 year, you'll get like some discounts. I don't know how much, but reduced here $4. It's for Max. I don't know how much. Of course, there is. It seems like there is no discount on the Max 5X and 20X. So anyway, choose whatever you want. As example, click on next, and here you will have to choose how much or how do you want to send that gift. Send via an email or just get a link to share. So you have two options. If you want a link to share, you can just enter your name and your email. And here you can pick the color. As you can see on the right, you'll see the preview, how the gift will look like. And you can click on checkout to pay for it. If you choose to send an email, you can enter the recipient's name, their email, then your name, and add a note if you want to, and click on checkout. So for me, I'll do a link since I don't have to fill a lot many informations. Click on checkout, and here you will find the payment method. Just pay now, and you will be able to get your link on the email that you entered. You can share the link with the other person, and they will get their Claude AI subscription. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.